If you have any further questions, you can go to our Drupal training and support site, which is located at calstatela.edu/Drupal. Here you're able to get some Drupal support, such as requesting a website, training, such as what we've done today, and some how-to guides with video tutorials such as the videos that you have watched today. There's also ways to ask for assistance, such as contacting the college department or your department group administrator. We also have web accessibility resources. This is at calstatela.edu/accessibility. It has many different places that you're able to go to, such as Accessibility Primer, the web, instructional materials, but the main three that we will be going over right now is the three at the bottom of the main page: web, instruction materials, and ICT procurement. For the web, it reads that all websites within Cal State LA web environment must be accessible, and this includes Drupal. So below are additional resources to help you stay accessible when you create your content, such as creating accessible content, trainings, support, manual testing and RAMP, guidelines, and reports. For instructional material, we have things to help you with making sure that you have accessible syllabi, documents such as Word, PowerPoint, etc., audio and video, emails, social media, and especially video conferencing such as Zoom and such. Below are some resources to help, such as allyship, audio and video, CETL, documents, email and social media, Qualtrics, and Universal Design for Learning. And finally, ICT procurement. Complying with Section 508 is a broad-based and far-reaching initiative that affects virtually every aspect of how modern universities function and operate. Information and Communication Technology, ICT, includes the following categories of products and related services. A handful of them are telecommunication products, information kiosks, worldwide websites, computer operating systems, computers, and any device or system that is used in creation, conversation, or duplication of data and information. We have a contact list here if you have any questions, and we also have resources such as procurement and approval for ServiceNow, pre-approved ICTs, ACR repository, forms, vendor requirements, VPAT help, procurement training, and procedures. If you have any questions about stuff that you've gone over or any other accessibility questions, don't be afraid to email us at accessibility@calstatela.edu. And if you need to reach the server administrators, let's say that your site isn't working, you need help, you can reach the web admins at www.admin@calstatela.edu. In conclusion, what we've gone over today is what Drupal is, including CMS. We've gone over key terminologies, assessing Drupal, the interface, creating a page including the WYSIWYG toolbar, adding content, inserting a hyperlink, image, table, video, and uploading files. We've edited the content, and we should have been able to resize images, but unfortunately we were unable to. But we were able to rearrange content, revisions, and making sure that everything is accessible. We have reviewed contents in the Needs Review tab, and we've approved and published it, and we were able to create a web form and a sample survey. If you need to register your account, you are able to register with your portal login, and from there you are able to create a Drupal account. Thank you so much for watching these videos.